With the charges of this one by battle from attackers from this horseman from this knight with paladins by strong by grandmaster in China, Lei Tingqi versus the attackers from this emperor by woman grandmaster in Poland, Mikalina Rudzinka. So it means very strong, powerful by the sacrifice with knights. So it means without FIDE World Rapid Championship 2025. So it means so 15 minutes plus seconds increment within round number 1. So it means, so what do you think about the first puzzle from this strong, powerful, without sacrifice with brilliance? So it means later from this one by puzzle. So it means, so let's see of this one by women's switch here. White pieces with Lei is d4, d5 by Rudzinka, knight f3, knight f6, bishop f4, London. It is called by London's opening. And also e6 by Rudzinka, and also e3, bishop d6 without more controls by Rudzinka, without opening by dark square here, without bishop to bishop, without attacks here, and also bishop d3 by Lei without preparing by castling king side here. So it means without upcoming here with Lei, and also c5 without controls by Rudzinka, or maybe without idea attacks the pawns or closes by push by c4 without, because these are the threatening the bishops here, and also captured by Lei, bishop captured by Rudzinka, and also castling by Lei, castling by Rudzinka, and also c4 without more controls, without more c4 by this one by Lei, without idea, without targets, without attacks the pawns here, and also knight c6 by Rudzinka here without more controls by moving by knight c6 here, and also captured by Lei, takes, and also knight c3. So very strong move by this one by more pressures by connecting the knights with Lei, and also h6 because these are the no more by bishop to g5, because these are the more this one by pawns without defense by this one connected the pass pawn with Rudzinka here, and also rook c1 by Lei, and also bishop backwards e7 with Rudzinka. So need more, without more backwards we need more ignorance without backwards here with black pieces here, and also knight e5, very strong move by this one by Lei here, and also knight capture. So this is a novelty by this Rudzinka in this battle of this game. So these are the old main lines here is bishop to d6. So bishop d6 is a recording by database by all mainline. So it means second is knight captured. So this is a no more found on this book line. So this is a novelty by this one in this Rudzinka here, and also captured the bishop without knights here, and also a6 by Rudzinka without next by b5. So without b5 by next maneuver without counters without next here, and also need more bishop b1 by backwards with Lei. So need more backwards because these are the very concentrations by this one in this Lei here without white pieces here, and also bishop e6 by Rudzinka without, because these are the bishop pairs. So these are the more doubles the bishops here, and also queen d3 by Lei because more strong move here, or next without idea without behinds by rook d1, or maybe behinds by rook d1 here, and also pawn g6 by Rudzinka, and also rook fd1, good move because these are the queens behinds the rooks without Lei here, and also rook c8 because these are the rook c8 by Rudzinka without pins, without here, without rook c5, without knights and rooks here, and also queen e2 by Lei without more backwards here, and also bishop g4 because more by this one by Rudzinka without bishop to g4, without more by this one with pins, without double attacks the rooks and queens here. So these are the moving by this one by threats with doubles, without concentrations by this one by good move by Lei is f3. So very excellent, very good move by this one. So this is a good evaluation bar without f3, without attacks the bishop here, without controls by this one with targets attack, and bishop backwards e6 by Rudzinka, and also proc active king h1 because need more king must be active by these white pieces here in this Lei here, and also bishop d6 more controls by dark square without diagonals, without attacks without bishop to bishop. So same by this one, coloring by dark bishops here. And also ignorance, bishop d4 by lay. So for example, sir, why don't we try bishop captured? It is okay that in this one by bishop to bishop, and also queen captured bishop, and if you pawn a3 here, and also pawn b5. Okay, so goods ones of this computer engine here. So it means, so this is a good examples from this one of the Stockfish computer here. Okay, so back there, this one is ignorance by lay bishop d4, and also knight h5 by Rosinka here, and also queen f2. So more controls by this one with that connected with queens with lay Ting-Chi here, and also pawn b5, because without pawn b5 by Rosinka, next move by this one, pawn b4. Strong move because these are the attackers, the knights here, and also a3, good move. So good move by lay, so no more by pawn b4, because these are the connected defense by pawn a3 by lay Ting-Chi, and also bishop backwards b8 by Rosinka, because these are the backwards, need more backwards without bishop b8, without more dark square, without diagonals by this one Rosinka. So it means, so that's not one of this computer engine, because these are given bad move. So the one's computer, this one is rook e8. So rook a8 is a once of this computer engine, so slightly advantage here because these are the goods for blacks here. Okay, so back there by Rosinka is bishop backwards b8 here, and another excellent good move by lay is pawn g4. Very strong excellent good move here. So with that idea, with that attacks the eating the knights here, and also without knight g7 by this one by Rosinka, and also rook g1 without idea, without move controls here, without push, with a strong move by this one by g5. So this is a bad move by lay. So the best move is pawn e4. So pawn e4 without attacks the pawns here. If you move by rook e8, so rook e8 here, and also queen d2. Okay, queen d2 without idea, without queens, without threats the pawns, without attacks here. And also decided this one is bishop to, wait, okay, rook c4, rook c4, rook c4. Okay, rook c4. I'm sorry, I cannot read my concentrations by notes here. So it means rook c4, and also bishop a2. Okay, bishop a2. So bishop a2 here without threats the rooks here. So very attacks these targets here. So these are the ones of this computer engine. So these are the goods for whites and blacks. So slightly advantage here. Okay, slightly advantage. Okay, so back there, this one is rook g1 by lay here, and also queen d7. So very precise here by Rosinka here, and also rook cd1 by lay, pawn a5, strong move. So without next by b4. Okay, b4 attacks here. So very good determinations by this one by blacks by Rosinka, and also with a strong move by queen h4, very strong move by lay Ting-Chi here, and also king h7. So properly active move by Rosinka. Okay, so first puzzle. So what do you think about the strong, powerful, without sacrifice, without brilliant, with white pieces here? So guessing puzzles without computer engine. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Knight e4 sacrifice. So strong, powerful without sacrifice by brilliant here by lay. So if you captured with pawn knights, Bishop captured, good move, sacrifice. Bishop captured without openings, without rooks, without threats that attacks, this eating the queens here. Without controls by sacrifice, without strong, powerful sacrifice by knights with lay here. So it means, so Rosinka captured without sacrifice with knights and opening, bishop captured, good move, excellent. So it means without good move, so it means without more from this one by bishop captured knight g7, without threats by rooks, without rooks, opening, without eating the queens. So very strong move by white pieces. So these are the goods for evaluation bar. So very strong move by this higher evaluation bar, this one by lay here. And Rosinka here is king captured without bishop, without sacrifice, and lay is rook captured without queens. So no more queens by this one by Rosinka, because these are the two minor pieces by rooks without blacks and without two bishop pairs here. So it means, so these are the brilliant without attacks, this one with rooks without captured without queens. So it means rook without second sacrifice by rooks here. And Rosinka is bishop captured rook, so one rook down by lay. So it means, so 4 minor pieces by Rosinka versus the 3 minor pieces here by lay. So 4 pieces versus 3 pieces here. And also bishop captured and also bishop e5, so it means another bad move by Rosinka. Okay, so the best move this one is bishop to e6 here. So bishop e6 is a once of this computer engine. So these are the slightly betters from blacks here. Okay. So back there is bishop e5 by Rosinka and by lay moving by queen f2. So defense the pawns without queens here, and also bishop e6 without bishop pairs by this one by Rosinka, and also rook d1. So it means, so does not one of this computer by lay. So the best is f4. Okay, f4 is a once of this computer, threats the bishop. So if you move by backwards, bishop f6 here, and also strong by h4. Very strong move without idea, strong by g5 without attacks the bishop here. So these are the evaluation bar. The whites is strong higher evaluation bar, above average higher here. So these are the slightly betters from advantage from whites here, because these are the highest strong evaluation bar. Okay. So back there, this one is rook d1 by lay here, and also moving by Rosinka is bishop b3 without attacks the threats the rooks here, and also rook d2 by lay, and also rook c1 without check here, without moving by counters, king g2 by lay, rook fc8 battery, and also strong h4 by lay without attacks the moving by strong g5 without attackers by strong move by white pieces by lay, and also rook a1 by Rosinka, and also f4 attacks the bishop backwards f6, next by g5 without counters by next move here, and also g5. Okay, tips by this one without excellent good strong move by this one lay. So it means, so timers 1 minute and 8 seconds by Lei Tingji, and almost 30 seconds by Mikhailina Rosinka. So it means 9 seconds, because these are the without slowest shrinking by black pieces by Rosinka. So let's continue by g5 by Lei. Captured, threats the bishop backwards e7, and also bishop d5 without more by with counters by light square, or maybe without attacks by bishop to bishop here, and also bishop captured, rook takes without threats the pawns here. Very strong move by this one by Lei. So it means, so rooks and queens, so it means 2 minor pieces by rooks with 1 bishop by this one by Rosinka here. So rook capture d5, and also rook ac1, rook d7, pressure by attacks the bishop. Rook 1 c2. So without more by rooks, without threats the queens, and pins without check here. Wow, so very strong move by from this one with two minor pieces by Ruzinga and Rook D2, good move. Wow, very determinations here. So very excellent move here. And also Rook to C5 without more here without backwards. So it means without backwards here by Rook to C5 by Ruzinka here. And also Queen F3 by Lei, Pawn Pawn B4. Okay, so Pawn B4 without pressure, without attacks the pawns, and Queen A4, Queen E4. Sorry. So Queen E4 by this one by Lei, captured. Wait. These are the datas here without data. So captured. B takes A3, and also Queen takes E7. So these are a more controls here. So it means, so this is a mark grade bad move, so that's not one of this computer. So the best is captured pawns. Okay, captured. So need more controls by determinations here without captured. So these are the good slightly betters from. Okay, so good determinations by whites here. I'm sorry, these are the keyboards, so it means cannot work. So it means without more by arrows here. Okay. Okay, so back there this one. Wait. I think the data with the controls here. Okay, so back there this one is Queen captured without E7 here, and also push E2. So push A2 without more by Ruzinka, so it means without upcoming by this promotes without queens. So it means so the best is Rook C2. Okay, Rook C2 without more by Rook to Rook, without queens, without check here. Without controls by without check. So if you move by this one, Queen E5. Okay, Queen E5 check here, and also King H7. Okay, if you Rook captured, Rook takes C2, Rook takes C2 check, and also King G3, and also captured. Okay, captured here. So it means without promotes by this one with B1 Queen. So it means so easy wins for black by Ruzinka. This is a best move from this one. Once of this computer, so it means easy wins for blocks here. Okay, so back there this one is A2 without upcoming by this one by promotes by this one by A1 Queen without Ruzinka here. And also the last, the finishing move is Queen F6 check. So resigns by Mikhailina Ruzinka. So why she resigns? For example, so if you move by this one by Queen F6, I mean King H7 only move. I mean King G8. Okay, King G8 only move here, and also Rook D7. Okay, Rook D7 without upcoming by this one by attacks the pawns without check here. So without check here. So if you move by promotes A1 Queen by Ruzinka here, and also Queen takes F7 without check. So if you upcoming by this one by this mating net here, if you move by King H8, and game over blocks is Queen H7 mating net. So game over from blocks here. Okay, so the score by this one, Latency 89.8. So it means good score accuracy, and the score by Mikhailina Ruzinka 84.4. So the win of round number 1, Grandmaster Latency. Congratulations. Okay, so the next of this one by analyzed by round number 2 without rapids between Kanim Balahayeva in Azerbaijan International Master versus Grandmaster in China, Zhu Junior. So later of this one by analyze. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luaga 17, aka Icon Mike 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. Happy Sunday, bye bye.